Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, we have a special collaboration, and I thought it would be really nice to do the last 10 days of the year. And what are you guys doing? From Christmas Eve all the way up until the 3rd, I would love to know what you guys are doing. So we're going to start with me, and I decided to go ahead and stock up on some craft supplies that are needed since I've been a busy little bee for Christmas. Now, this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, and The Robin's Nest by Terry. Now, this is a close collaboration, but guys, go grab your favorite drink, your coffee, your tea, your hot cocoa, whatever that might be, and sit down and enjoy our videos as we show you our last 10 days before the new year comes in. Now, I had to go to Dollar Tree today and grab some last minute wrapping paper things. And of course, I cannot leave unless I go to the Crafter's Square section. And now I'm noticing that they have more of those wooden planks in different multiple sizes. And look, there's some hearts over here and some arrows, and they have some really neat things coming out now. So I'm just kind of looking around. So I'm going to go ahead and take you with me as I decide what it is that I'm going to buy. So I'll leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you guys at the end. Now, I'm also going to be linking all of the hosts down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure, guys, and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist with a nice hot cup of coffee and watch the playlist. Now, remember that all the stores are having clearance, so we just may stop at a few of them, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.